Greetings and welcome to From the Inside Out with me, Werner Schmidt, sometimes coach, sometimes consultant, sometimes court jester, always conversation partner. Ready? Here we grow from the inside out. I walk with leaders, township dreamers, middle class movers, boardroom giants. We design cultures and strategies that generate enduring value. This is the framework I've developed, continuously refine and live. People, planet, prosperity. A life of meaningful leadership begins with conscious stewardship of self, others, and the world. True prosperity is never personal success alone. It is shared growth integrated across nature and culture. Culture plus strategy brings value. Culture is how we are, individually and together. Strategy is how we move together. Value is the outcome for self, others, and the systems we are part of. Discover, design, sustain. Discovery gives us insight. Design gives us direction. Sustainability keeps us dancing. And ikigai cadence growing with our flow. Self-leadership shapes culture. Culture grows strategy. The dance begins within and spirals through generations. So, where do you want to start? Let's co-create your leadership transformation. I've dropped my bit.ly Coffee with Werner link online or in person. You can direct message me or connect. So let's begin that conversation. And I'm looking forward to seeing you grow well.